The fact is, not all YouTubers or anybody wanting to make a video have the financial resources for a good light setup. But whether you're starting out or have been a YouTuber for a while, or you just need lighting for a party or whatever, the best light I'd suggest and totally recommend is natural light. Having said that, I understand there are times when we just can't wait for a natural light, either because our time schedule or because of natural events like rain or too much sunlight or snow. Then indoor lighting for video shooting is the only option we have left. In this video, we'll go through an efficient budget lighting you can get anywhere from a dollar store to any Chinese supermarket. Just a reminder, finding a decent lighting source doesn't have to be expensive. If you have the money, buy whatever you'd like, but if you're on the budget, for under just $10, this little LED light packs a punch. It's portable and very easy to set up. You can choose to get the 10 watt, 20 watt, or even the 30 watt, and it comes with a plastic rail. In this video, we'll be discussing the 10 watt LED. And yes, this isn't a light I'd use in front of your face in a studio setup, although with a diffuser, you can make it work. A simpler option is to turn it facing the wall, as it has a 360-degree rotation. Setup is quite simple. You're gonna need the rail, electrical cables or extension, and the LED light. Let's first check the rail to see everything is where it should. So you get the rail. At one end there is a sort of hook which you can press to remove the end protector. Inside there is a copper cable which acts as an electrical conductor in series. The other end has a sort of lock, and since here is where you're going to connect the electrical cables, it's quite secured with a screw. Unscrew to see and connect the electrical cable. If you press the hook at this end, you can also remove to see the copper electric conductors clearly. Screw this other end back on and we're ready to connect our light bulb and cable. Before we continue, we're gonna open our LED light and unbox. To set up our lighting, unscrew at the end of the rail where you'll be connecting the electrical cables. If you want to see the copper conductor clearly, just open the other end of the rail. Slide out the copper protector and you should see the conductor. Connect the electrical cable or extension you want to use and screw back to secure this end of the rail. I'm going to pry this open and get this 2 points ready, and that's what I'm going to connect to this. This point here is connected to this, and this point is connected to this. What we want to do is unscrew this end and also unscrew the other end. And then we're gonna connect this to this first. So this end here has this little opening. You want to use this little opening first, so you don't have cables under here. You just use this. And now this is gonna go into the holes here. So now that this has been secured, what we want to do, slide back the cover, and then we screw everything back in. Simple as that. This cable is coming out of here. So if you want, you can also bring it like here. There is no problem. Depends on you. But yeah, the wiring is all set. Slide the LED light into the rail on the other end if it's already open. If not, just press the lock to open it. Align the rails with the LED light so it can easily slide into the rails. This should be parallel to the rail, and then twist to lock and also connect with the electrical copper lining. Do the same to all LEDs you want to use. After all is set, plug it to the wall and that's it. You can hang it anywhere if you're thinking of using a diffuser. It doesn't have to be a costly one. You can use something as simple as a shower curtain. In short, to get the best lighting for indoor video recording, you need to illuminate the subject well. Avoid overhead lighting. Position the camera and light properly, adopt 3-point lighting, avoid mixing color temperatures, diffuse light source, and make good use of catch light. And finally, even though these LED lights aren't the most sturdy, the usage I've gotten out of them has been more than worth the price. Overall, they are a great value for the money you spend, and I don't think you'll regret having this inexpensive lighting setup. Even once you have a more expensive setup, this kit will still be an easy grab and go option to use anywhere and anytime. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information about how to easily set up these budget-friendly lighting. I appreciate your time watching this video. Let me know what you think, and if you have a solution you use that you want others to know about, be sure to use the discussion area below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.